Krishna, a Purna Yogi, an epitome of consciousness. The one who achieved it all in one lifetime. The one who defined fresh frontiers of life. In each role that he played, a son everyone craves for, a friend who you seek, a lover that you need, a king you can become, a strategist who always wins, a brother, a citizen, and a master of masters, the one who mastered the science of attaining divinity and living it, not just with eyes closed, but with eyes open, the one who lived amongst us as one of us, the one who taught us that being divine is a possibility, and exploration any less is mediocrity. Unlock that divinity in you. Let the Krishna be born today. Happy Janmashtami.